Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play your PlayStation 5 games on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So that is right, you can play your entire PlayStation 5 library over on your PlayStation 4. And this is very easy to do. Now, right around when the PlayStation 5 kind of launched, they released an update on the PlayStation 4 called PlayStation 5 Remote Play. Now, if I go over to my PlayStation right now, I have it just as an application on my home screen. Now, if you don't see this application on your home screen, what you can do is scroll all the way over to the right to Library, and then go down to your applications, and you should be able to find it under here. So it's called PlayStation 5 Remote Play. Why I love this feature is because I can move my PlayStation 4 over into my living room where I have a 1080p TV, and I can experience my entire game library from my PlayStation 5 while sitting down on a sofa, relaxing. And then I can have my PlayStation 5 set up in my workspace, my office, where I like to play competitively. And I was quite surprised, because this actually works very well. Now, to get the full benefit of this, you would want to go ahead and connect everything with a LAN cable. So connect your PlayStation 4 with the LAN cable and directly connect, and then connect directly with your PlayStation 5 as well. Don't use Wi-Fi. So if you're under network and you set up a new internet connection, make sure you're using a LAN cable under here. This will provide you a smooth connection. Now let's go ahead and select PS5 Remote Play. Now I already found my PlayStation 5, but if I go to other connections, this is what it will look like for you. Now, before you can go ahead and use Remote Play on your PlayStation 5, you need to go to Settings, System, Remote Play, and Enable Remote Play. Once you have that enabled, you can easily press OK on your PlayStation, and it will begin to search for connections via the internet on your home network. Now, if you cannot connect with your PlayStation 5, you can go to Settings, System, Remote Play, Link Device, and then add in the code manually right here. Now, let's connect to my PlayStation 5. So it's checking the network. So I'm playing the PlayStation 5 version of Destiny 2, and the first thing I notice is there is a reduction in resolution, and also there's like a gray shade for me covering like the entire screen. It doesn't look crystal clear like it would, and it seems like the colors are just a little bit faded. And one thing that I was really surprised about is when I'm running around and I turn back and forth left to right, the input lag is actually somewhat playable for competitive games. Now, you can kind of notice it when you're moving back and forth left and right, where there's that small delay, but it's really, really good compared to how it was like 5 years ago. And if you have everything on LAN for your connection, it's going to be reduced to the point where I don't even think most people would notice it. Now, when I go ahead and press the PlayStation button, this screen will open up where I have access to the control center. I can see my activity bar right here. I can go to my friends list, my game base. Then if I press it again, I have the option to go to my PlayStation 5 home screen, and then I can move around on here. Then I can mute my microphone, I can disconnect, and one thing that's kind of cool is I can see my PlayStation 5 home screen right there, and then if I go to my PlayStation 4 home screen, I can easily switch back and forth just like that. That blows my mind for some reason. This is such a cool feature. So if I want to play games like Temtem, which is a PlayStation 5 exclusive on my PlayStation 4, I could be sitting in my living room and I can access this wonderful game. And I think this will allow the PlayStation 4 to have a much longer life cycle in terms of its usefulness. If I'm able to play my PlayStation 5 games, 3-4 years into the future, I could still be using my PlayStation 4 to use those. Now, I think the biggest limitations on that will be the PlayStation 4's network card and how it's not quite as fast as the PlayStation 5. It's going to be a little bit slower for the download speeds and the upload speeds. And I think that will be the biggest things in terms of holding it back for the original. Now, for the PlayStation 4 Pro and the PlayStation 4 Slim, I believe the network card is a little bit quicker, which allows faster download speeds, which will be less input lag and better streaming quality for remote play. And if you never played Temtem before, this is pretty cool. It's kind of like Pokemon, but you can actually play it on your PlayStation 5. I'd give this game a look if you're into that kind of genre. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to PlayStation 4 and 5 coming up next on YourSixStudios.